ransomware attacks are exploding. Your response matters. In March of 2023, there was a record-breaking 459 ransomware incidents. No one is immune from the financially devastating ransom and redemption costs that can balloon into millions of dollars. The actions you take in the first few hours of a ransomware attack have a huge impact on your organization's reputation, as well as the financial and data losses. Learn how to fight back against ransomware attacks. Join industry experts Sherry Davidoff and Matt Duran for an intensive ransomware response bootcamp at Black Hat USA 2023. You'll learn practical ransomware identification and redemption skills from incident response experts. Gain exciting hands-on experience in LMG Security's virtual lab with continued lab access for an additional 90 days. Meet your instructors, Sherry Davidoff. Sherry is a GIAC certified forensic examiner and the CEO of LMG Security. Sherry has been called a security badass by the New York Times and is a noted author, speaker, and instructor at multiple international conferences. And Matt Duran? Matt is the Director of Training and Research at LMG Security. He is a published author as well as an instructor and speaker at multiple international conferences. Register now for this exciting 2-day class at Black Hat USA 2023.